Hey guys, how to install IPA file on iPhone. Alright, you're stepping into the sideloading world, installing an .ipa file, iOS app package, basically the iPhone equivalent of an APK on Android. It isn't like dragging a file onto your phone. Apple locks it down, so you need a proper way to sign in, and load it. Right? What's an IPA, or what an IPA is? Okay, IPA equals iOS App Archive. It's how iOS apps are packaged. Normally, only the Apple Store or the App Store installs them. To do it yourself, you need to sideload, which means signing it and pushing it onto your iPhone. Main ways to install IPA files using AltStore, right? Just type right here, AltStore. Most popular method, no jailbreak. AltStore is like a mini app store you run yourself. Download AltServer, on your computer, on Mac or Windows from the official AltStore site. Okay, and install AltServer. It runs in the background. Connect phone via cable in AltServer. Choose install AltStore, right? Pick your device. Sign in with your Apple ID. Best to use a throwaway one. On iPhone, open AltStore. You may need to trust the profile and settings in general, right? Let me go ahead right here and show you. General. Then VPN and device management. You're gonna see like a profile right here. Make sure to approve it. All right. Now in AltStore, hit My Apps plus icon and choose the IPA file you want to install. AltStore will sign and install it. Okay, free app. One note: the limit for free signing on an app, 3 side-loaded apps, renewed every 7 days, with a $99 a year or $99 a year Apple developer account. You get more apps plus 1 year signing. Using sideloading, you can type you can search for sideloading. Download sideloading from Windows or Mac. Open sideloading, connect iPhone via cable. Drag and drop IPA file into sideloading. Enter your Apple ID password. Sideloading installs the app onto your device. Right? And if you want to approve sideloading, go ahead to the settings, general, and VPN's device management after you scroll down, and approve the sideloading, right? Or trust the profile. If you're using iTunes or Apple Configurator 2, on Mac, Apple Configurator 2 lets you install IPA into onto iPhone, mainly for enterprise and devs. You will need a signed IPA from a dev account. On Windows, old iTunes versions supported installing IPA, but Apple killed that in recent versions. So, another way of doing it, which is not necessarily legal, but you can work around it. Jailbreak route, if you are jailbroken. If your iPhone is jailbroken, use tools like Filza File Manager, or AppCake. Okay, install IPA directly. Some jailbreak tweaks let you bypass Apple ID signing limits entirely. Only relevant if you've already jailbroken. Okay, may face some issues like app won't open. You probably didn't trust the profile, so go ahead to the settings, general, VPN and device management, and trust the profile. Maybe error on 7-day expiry. That's the free Apple ID limit. You need to re-sign weekly with AltStore or sideloading. App crashes instantly. IPA may be unsigned, corrupted, or not compatible with your iOS version. No developer account. Use a throwaway Apple ID. Never risk your main one. Okay, so best practices: always download IPA files from trusted sources. Shady IPAs equals malware risk. If you use AltStore, keep Wi-Fi sync turned on. It makes refreshing apps automatic. If you're serious about side loading, consider buying the $99 a year package from Apple developer account to avoid re-signing every 7 days. All right. So the easiest, safest way in 2025, AltStore for non-jailbroken iPhones. If you like a one-click desktop tool, use Sideloadly. All right. Jailbreak only users have more flexibility, but also more risk. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.